Hello again, car watch enthusiasts. Today we're going to be going over how to update your software simply and easily to make sure you're running the most up-to-date version. To start, you'll need to make sure you have the latest version of IQ Update. IQ Update is a Windows-based software that you can install on your PC that allows you to upgrade the software running on your IQ to the latest version through the local network of the wash. If you're not sure if you have the most up-to-date version, I'll be providing a link to the most updated version in the description below, so go ahead and pause the video and download that real quick if you need to. One thing to keep in mind with IQ Update is that it is not generally recognized to Windows or antivirus softwares, so it sometimes can be flagged as malicious. Whatever messages you receive from Windows or your antivirus program warning you of the software, go ahead and proceed with the download and the booting up of the software. All good now? Great, let's keep going. Your next step is to shut down your machine by going into your IQCE. Go ahead and click E-Stop, then Shut Down. Your machine should now be fully shut down and ready for an update. For the update tool to do its job, it needs to be on the same local network as the IQ, and you'll have to provide it with the IP address of the controller you're trying to update. The wash software also can't be running during the update process, so the easiest way to get the IP address is to exit the IQ software by clicking the software E-Stop in the upper right hand corner, then selecting Shut Down. Once you're out of the software, simply double tap the network connection icon located in the bottom right corner just to the left of the date and time. The icon looks like an upside down T, and you can see me circling it here. Once you've done that, you should have the IP address in front of you, and your next step will be copying that IP address into the tool like so. After that, go ahead and hit download and let that do its thing, and after that's finished, click backup to back your files up in case something happens to go wrong. It's also worth noting here that a pop-up message will appear every time you click a button in this dialog that you'll have to acknowledge before going forward with the process, so just be sure to wait for the dialog to come up, acknowledge it, and you're good to go. After all that's finished, you'll want to click Update to begin the update. While the system's updating, I'll just acknowledge this backup button here and what it does. Clicking this button will allow the system to grab a copy of the pertinent configuration files, current program files prior to the update, and recipes, then places them all into a folder where all other previous backups are stored. These backups are never overwritten and are always here for either your reference or if the situation arises in which you need to back up your files from an earlier version before the update. It is worth keeping in mind that every update will overwrite all the program files currently on the IQ, so it's a good habit to back up all your files always before updating. Once the update tool completes its transfer, either power cycle the pump stand from the red mushroom button or double-click the IQCE icon on the controller to start the software. Once it boots, it'll display Updating across the top as it configures the new software. Once it's completed configuring the update, it'll reboot itself, at which point it should rehome and restore itself to service. It's also worth mentioning that during this updating time, 2 emails will be sent out regarding the machine's automatic reboot and program startup to ensure that the update process goes smoothly. After the machine is finished updating, it'll reboot and come back online shortly after. And that's how you can easily update the software on your IQ. Thanks for watching. Of course, if you have any additional questions or concerns, you can contact the DNS Tech line at 800-844-3442, and we'd be more than happy to help. If this video helped you out, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click the notification bell below the video to stay updated with all future DNS content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.